YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Cuts by Chaz. And today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on high tapers on wavelength cut. Let's get it. So get right into it. First I'm gonna start off by knocking that top down with a wall one guard all the way open. Again, that's a wall one guard completely open. Now we will be doing the tapers with the Oster fast feed and the Andes magnetic guard system. We'll be doing the one up, one down method today. Alright, we're gonna put that first line in with the trimmers. Then come behind that with the Andes zero guard. Then we're gonna take that zero guard off, open the clipper all the way up, then halfway, then completely close and take out that trimmer line. Then we're gonna repeat the same process. So we're gonna take that one guard, create another line, come underneath that with the zero guard all the way open, halfway, then completely close. And do the exact same thing on the sides. Put the first line in with the trimmers, then boom, put another line in with the Andes zero guard. Come underneath that with the clipper completely open, then halfway, then completely closed, and it'll take out that trimmer line. And we're gonna take that one guard and create another line, as you can see here. And follow underneath that with the zero guard. All the way open, halfway, then close. Then we're gonna catch the peak of that taper with the number 2 guard. Boom. Then come underneath that with the 1 guard all the way open, halfway, then close. Then we're gonna smooth it out. You'll see it all just comes together. Now I'm gonna let y'all watch on the other side to kind of get it. Now guys, I recorded this video probably back in like 2017, and this was like my second time using the fast feeds and the Andes guard system. And I say that to say this: one, when it's something you want to do, don't ever let nothing get in the way. Just continue to push forward and do it. 2, when you find a technique and tool that works for you, stick to it. You see how it just all came together. Now we're gonna prep the hair before we line it. So you see me knocking the hair down in the front. Now I'm putting a little bit of alcohol and astringent on it to clean the hair, putting a hot towel on there to make the waves lay and to create a smooth and clean surface before I hit it with my trimmers. And after that, I'm gonna brush it a little bit, use some foam wrapping lotion to help lay it down some more, brush a little bit more, then we're gonna tack that line. can already see how that taper back there is starting to pop. Alright, now when I do my line, guys, I like to first do my side post. So I do the left and the right side, make sure those are even, and then I do the line over the top. Already see how nice, clean, and sharp that line is getting. I'm gonna do a second time over, make sure I'm combing all those little hairs over the line so everything is nice and clean and sharp. Then after I do that, that's when you hit it with the enhancements. So I'm gonna use a little bit of hair fibers on this one. If you guys want a video on how to properly use hair fibers and enhancements, drop a comment below and let me know. You can see right there, you can already see it's already clean on that right side before we added any enhancements to it. That's the key. We hit it with that razor, surf over them waves, knock off them loose hairs, and boom, you got a nice clean cut right there. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Leave a comment below and let me know if this taper method helped you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and stay updated. Appreciate y'all.